Hello and welcome to Tara's Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Pear Deck enhanced Google slide presentation. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create your slide deck, and you'll see I have done so, and I've just gone through, created all my different slides, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to enhance it with Pear Deck. So Pear Deck is an add-on right in Google Slides, and I already have the add-on, so you'll notice it appears right here. But if you do not have the add-on, you're going to come here to click Get Add-ons, and it will take you to a screen, and you can just type in here Pear Deck. And once you type Pear Deck in, mine says manage, but yours will say install, and then just click install, or it'll say add to Chrome. And once you do that, just follow those steps and it will add right on to your Google slide deck. And now once you have it, it will always be in Google Slides for you when you're logged into your Google account. So when you're ready to use it, you'll click add-ons and then click Pear Deck and open Pear Deck add-on. And what this does is it creates a toolbar over here on the side of your screen. And this is where you're going to make all the magic happen. So when you come in here, you'll see present with Pear Deck, but we're not quite ready for that. There is what they call their slide library, and they have some pre-made slides in their library that you can choose from, and you'll see that there's several. And if you don't want one for the beginning of a lesson, you could look at some for during the lesson or even at the end of the lesson. But if you have questions already made up, like I already do here in my slide deck, what is the best way to start your day? I want to just add an answering component. And so if you come down here to ask students a question, what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to embed a form of question response into your slide. So this one is asking, what is the best way to start your day? So this one I want to leave as a open-ended text box. And so I'll click that, and now Pear Deck is doing its job to go ahead and enhance my slide. And it's just telling you what it's going to look like. And now it's adding the interactive question. So down here at the bottom, you'll see that this is a Pear Deck enhanced slide. It's going to ask your participants to write their response. And so now that slide is all set and enhanced. And this next one says, you can brighten someone's day with a smile. So this one is offering a choice. I want to turn this one into a true false. So I'm going to click on this particular question option, which is the choice one. And you'll notice that again, it's working to add the question to my slide. And it's going to always show you what it can look like on the student device and on your projector. And now here you'll see it automatically gives me 3 options, but I only want it to have 2. So I'm going to type in true for my first choice, false for my second one, and I don't want a third option. And I'm going to just click the X. And now I'm going to go ahead and update my slide. And what it'll do is, again, it'll show on your slide that you've enhanced this slide with a choose an option. And then down here, it's going to show you the options for your participants are A is true or B is false. Our next slide, I have a question that says, which of the following is a positive way to start your day with students? Well, this is another choice one. And so I'm going to click choice again, but this one I want to give more options to. And so with that being said, I can brighten or start a day with a student by smiling and saying good morning. I could say ignoring them because I want it to be just one choice, ignoring them. I could say that yelling at them, Okay, and if I want to add another one, I could add another one, and I can select here and I could say all of the above. And you can keep adding. I want to add this, but I want to just correct my error here. And now it's going to add that to my slide. And again, it'll show that it's enhanced down here at the bottom. And then it's going to, again, show you all of your options. So my question was, which of the following is a positive way? Hopefully your students will choose A, smiling and saying good morning. And then the final one I have here, already pre-made, is a numbers one. So here I would click numbers, and this question is asking how many days on average does the teacher have the opportunity to brighten a child's day? Well, in the district that I work in, we have approximately 186 days. So this question is not going to give them choices. It is just going to format the question so that it encourages them to enter a number. So I want to add a slide to my slide deck. So I just clicked on this one here, and then I simply clicked the enter key and it added a slide for me. And this one, I want to encourage them to go to a website. So check out this website. And so here on this particular slide, I want Pear Deck to take my participants directly to a website. And so I'm going to click on the website link. And once you do that, it will bring you, Pear Deck will start working, and it will bring you to a page where you can go ahead and put in the website. And so here I'm going to type in www.terastechtips.com. And what it's going to do is it's going to search for it, and it's going to kind of load a preview for it. And this is just taking a moment. And your website should pop right up. And then once it pops up, you can click Update Slide. It's a little bit slow today. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and click Update. And so now what'll happen is when your participants open this slide, it will take them right to that website. All right, so that is one portion of creating questions. If you do want to use one of these pre-made slides, you can go ahead and come over here and choose it. And what it does is it pops it in to the very next slide in your presentation. So it creates a whole new slide for your presentation. So it's not adding on to one you've already created. It's making a new template. And you'll notice over here, it popped up over here. Now, you can, on this, go ahead and you can edit what these say. You just click in the box and you can edit it. You can also edit the images. So these are very user-friendly. Just click, you can edit things on here. So if you really like the image or you really like this statement, but you want to put a different image, go ahead and do that. And so that is creating a slide deck, you enhancing it with Pear Deck. Thanks for watching.